Hi, miss. Single ka?
Yes.
Hi guys, my name is Diane. I'm 21 years old and I'm studying at Carlos Helado Memorial State University, taking out my bachelor's degree in special needs education.
I am Ronald and I am 25 years old and I am a city engineer of Sampaloc City.
EJ, 28 years old, a vlogger, influencer, and also a CEO of Ampalaya Jam and a CEO of Oregano Chips.
Why are you single?
Mula po kasi akong mahanap and I am also busy sa mga projects namin.
I don't know. Siguro kasi busy and hindi ko pa siya pinaprioritize talaga. And working student kasi ako. So, parang wala akong time na mag-commit sa isang relationship. Although sometimes, naiinggit din sa may mga, may mga jowa. And maganda din naman talaga kapag may inspiration ka. But for now, siguro hindi pa ako ready.
Kasi siguro busy ako sa mga trabaho, work. As you know naman, CEO ako ng company ko at maraming ginagawa kaya wala akong time sa mga ganyang bagay.
What is your ideal type?
Yung ideal type ko, siguro yung yung kapag yung lalaki is responsable at saka yung may work na para at least alam mo sa sarili mo na matutustusan niya talaga yung pangangailangan nyo kapag magka-family na kayo, diba? Tapos yung family-oriented and I'm not looking for a boy. Yung hinahanap ko talaga sa lalaki is yung talagang yung man na at saka yun, yung responsable.
Siguro yung nakakaintindi sa akin kasi alam mo naman, busy ako, marami akong ginagawa, lalo na sa company ko. Siguro yung taong kaya kong sabayan, yung makakaunawa sa akin, lalo na yung makakaintindi. Yun yung hinahanap ko sa isang babae.
Someone na is hardworking, ay maayos sa trabaho at nagpaplano rin ng magandang future para sa magiging pamilya niya.
Para sa you, sir, when is the right time to commit in a relationship?
For me, the right time to commit in a relationship ay isang pag mayroon ka ng maayos na trabaho, na kaya mo ng buhayin ng iyong sarili at na may napagkukunan ka ng iyong mga pangailangan sa araw-araw.
Yung right time para mag-commit is yung ready ka na, yung buo na yung yung feelings mo sa kanya o yung pagko-commit mo.
When is the right time to commit? For me, as of now, since I'm a student, for me, I think this is not the right time. Kasi yung oras ko ngayon is I have to focus on my studies. Hindi yung, alam mo yon, yung mag-commit ka sa isang relationship habang nag-aaral ka. Kasi for me, it's a distraction. And when is the right time to commit? Siguro kapag, ka na, financially stable, and yung alam mo sa sarili mo na yun nga, yung matustusan mo na and yung alam mong isa ka ng responsableng individual.
According to our interviews from various perspectives and positions, the primary reason for being single is often attributed to a lack of time and financial instability. In most cases, where their ideal partner revolves around with being financially stable, time management, and capable of engaging in livelihood stuffs. The right time to commit to a relationship is intimate, financially stable, and responsible, not just as a partner but as an integral part of family. Choosing a life partner is a crucial decision, and financial instability emerges as a significant factor. Therefore, it is essential to choose a partner wisely. So we cannot blame people if they have a standard. Each one of us has a standard, whether you are male or a female. Please stop stigmatizing men not to have a standard, because men have a right to have a standard, also women.